came into us. We did the baseline. It wasn't working. It was breaking up. We don't know what was wrong with it. Eric said he thinks the plug wires were all messed up because they were like, some of them were, you know, it had heat sheathing, whatever sleeving on it, but it was still melted. We did a set of cylinder heads and head studs, and changed the lifters, and this car already had like a ton of stuff done to it. Basically a full heads cam porta blower setup. The customer, he said that they told him it made 930. I'm gonna say it definitely didn't make 930. I don't know though for sure, but we're gonna see what it makes now. It did have a lot of timing in it before, so we'll see. It's got like 20% E in it. It had 28 and it needed gas, so we put like 3 gallons in it, but so it's at like 20%. So we'll see what it does. And the tune might be way off right now because I changed the whole thing. So if it's way off, I'll just make a couple pulls and come back. Put boost up there. We'll be back. Alright, I changed some stuff in the fuel pump control module. It looked like it lost pressure for a second. I don't know if it glitched out, but they had the fuel pressure set to like 98 pounds of fucking fuel pressure in the control module or something. And so I don't know. I changed that back down to like a normal pressure. I just want to see what it does before I start going crazy and doing other shit. Boost ain't hooked up right. We'll be right back. Alright, the boost line came off of that thing, so, and I made some more changes. I'm gonna make one more pull. .02. .820, 736. Let this thing cool down. I'll be right back. I let this thing chill for a bit. I don't remember if I changed anything in the tune. Still pump gas, well, close to pump gas. 18.4%. Pretty close to pump gas. .837, 742. 838, 744. That's probably as much timing as I want to put on this thing on pump gas, because it doesn't have, it's no meth. It's straight 93 right now. I'm gonna dump some E in this thing and go from there. Oh, still recording. All right, dump some E in it. Got it cycled around now. It's like 38%. I just changed timing around up high on this. That was really it. Alright, it's still hot. We just put more in it. It's right at 50%. But I was just cycling it around, so it's cooking now. The car is. Alright, not a crazy cool down, but like 30 minutes. I don't know how much it'll make. It's not going to make 900. I'm going to guess it's going to make 888. It did some fucking weird shit up high. I literally dropped a ton of boost out of it. What the hell caused that? None of the AITs are high. I don't know. I'm gonna make another pull. Nothing should have caused it to do that. I don't know on that one. Whatever. It's still the same temperature, but that one was weird. I don't understand that one. If it does it again, then I'm gonna figure it out. But 885. Delete that blue one. That was close. I guessed 888. I guess it blew the wideband out. 766 torque, 52.2% E, 18 pounds. Pretty solid. I mean, obviously it would make, it's got a stock lower on it. So if it made a little bit more boost, we could obviously make over 900, but I'm sure this dude's perfectly fine with this, where it's at. He just bought it and wanted, we did like a couple other cars for him, so he just brought it to us and wanted us to like check over everything, do the heads, do the head studs, etc. So make sure it was all good to go beat on, and now he's got basically a 900 real horsepower Inferno Orange ZR1, which is, that's like up here for me. So solid, super nice car. I don't know how many miles are on this thing. If I already said, I apologize, but I'm double checking. I think like 20 something. $20,190. Perfect, solid car. Subscribe later.
All right. You guys probably thought we were done. I also thought we were. Made like $885. Customer wasn't happy with that. We just did another one of these with our full setup on it, and it made like $980 stock blower. I guess he thought that this would make similar power to that, but it is nothing of ours. And I think it was a little older build, so it's like a Synergy blower, Synergy's air intake, I guess Synergy's cam, etc. And it was still on a stock lower, and it made like 18 pounds. So he had us put a 14% lower on there. Now we got it back on the dyno. I don't know how much boost that's going to pick up. Hopefully not too much. I'd like it to be under 22, but we'll see. So I'm not going to change. I didn't change anything in the tune. Let's just see where we're at. Yeah, there's no way he's gonna be able to run this on pump gas then. There's no mess.
It should have heat in it.
It does.
Yeah.
But that's besides the point.
Oh.
It's on 52% E now, but no way he's gonna be able to run this on straight pump gas. See what we got. It actually picked up a bunch of torque. Went from 766 to 814. Picked up about 2 pounds of boost. It looks like it's falling off up high. Pulled a little bit of fuel out of it up top, and we put a little more VHT on the tires. Spinning because it made more torque, but it made exactly the same horsepower, 886. Yeah, it's just falling off boost up top. I don't I doubt the belt is slipping. We'll check, but we'll be back. All right, well, I'm assuming that that's potentially it for now. If he wants to go down a rabbit hole and make more power up high, it's more than likely going to need an export blower, different air intake, maybe a different cam. We don't really know any of the thing that's in there, so I'm not sure he's gonna want to do that. I personally wouldn't think that it's necessarily worth it, but that's just my opinion. Either way, this thing's gonna be a gangster ass car. Oh no, later.